Hi, this is David from Smart World. This is the Bovee 1000. It's the Bluetooth music stream for cars, and we're going to install it in a Volkswagen R32. So this Volkswagen R32 has the old 32 pins for iPhone. So if customer wants to play music, they have to plug in the old iPhones. But now, you know, the new mobile phones, they have the small pin. So to solve this issue, we have this new product. Is the Bovee 1000. So the Bovee 1000 comes with that connection, which is removed from the package and plugging into this cable. You will see the light coming up, and then on the mobile phone, which is gonna find it, Bovee 1000 0000 is the password pair. And now it's connected. Very easy to install. Now you're gonna see in the car that you're gonna have the CD available in a few seconds. There we go. So we make sure that it's on CD and we start playing music. So this music is coming from the mobile phone directly into the car. You can use the steering wheel options to turn the volume up and down, and also change the music with the buttons on the car. Okay? So yeah, if you want more information, you can go to the website www.smartworldcompany.com.